Today I'm checking out this 2-pack of replacement Milwaukee style batteries. These will work with Milwaukee M18. They're 18 volt and they're 3 amp hour. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on a charger, make sure they charge properly, and then we're going to test them in some tools. They look like they come about 3/4 charged, but we're going to get them charged 100% before we start using them. I've got both of these batteries put on my battery charger for Milwaukee batteries. And as you can see, it is recognizing them properly and it is charging them. All right, and as you can see now, both of the lights are green. It did charge the batteries all the way up. And they're saying fully charged. So let me get them out of here. We're going to test them in a couple tools. All right, so I just grabbed a couple tools that I have that use these Milwaukee style batteries. And let's put them in. Snaps in good. Everything looks right. Now this is a very, very bright light. It's a spotlight. It's a work light actually, and it can light up an entire garage. I'm going to turn it the other way so it doesn't just flood out the camera. And definitely works. This thing is so bright, even though it's LED, it gets hot. Very nice. So it works good with that. Let's see about this little compressor. I'm going to go ahead and slide the battery into the tool. I had to move the hose. It's lighting up with no problem. Let's see. Very nice. Looks like they're going to work great. Do everything that I'm going to need them to do. I like their nice small size. They're 3 amp hour, but they're still really nice and compact. They charge quick and work great. I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.